career to the next level, right? This is going to help you to learn the basics of how to start and get into the foreign exchange market, right? We're going to teach you how to open up a live account for a Forex account, right? When you trade in Forex, you need a broker to open up an account. The same way you put your money in the bank, you got to put your money in the online broker to trade in the foreign exchange market and to make that bizag. So guess what, family? We're going to be right back with you.
Blue screens give me goosebumps. I'm not knowing what it
goods, right? We're going to show you guys how to open up a live account, right? So today we're going to be opening up a live account for Kot4x, which is a broker, right? So let's go ahead and learn a little bit about it. I'm going to show you guys how to open it and start up an account, right? So let's look and learn about who Kot4x is. This is one of the brokers. This is one of a few good brokers, right? The one that I highly recommend is nv4x.com. But this one is the main one that a lot of people use as of right now. It's pretty good. So about it, Kot4x provides an ECN trading environment which permits traders to trade exclusively online. It is lightning speed system designed for efficiency, genuine broker, privacy focus, high growth possibility. Let's see. Cryptocurrencies do not exist as physical coins, but as digital currency. STP execution, that's what's up. So here are the advantages with Kot4x. You can start trading with $15. With $15. Even though I don't recommend trading with $15 because you can't do much with $15. Just to be 100% real, when trading in the foreign exchange market, you need to be able to start up at least with $250 or $500. You can grow from there, right? $15 is not going to get you much. You're not going to make money off of $15. Now, you may make like $1.50 a day unless you over leveraging and trying to blow your account. But I recommend starting up with $250 to $500 because then you'll be making anywhere between $5 to $10 a day with a $250 account, and with a $500 account, you make anywhere between $10 to $20 per day, right? So that's how that works. 1 to 500 leverage. So with the 1 to 500 leverage, that means you can leverage your whole account by putting a 500 leverage. You can literally risk your whole account. But that means you can blow your account too. You can grow it fast, but you can blow it fast. I recommend using 200 leverage. That way you won't blow your account. It won't let you go past certain amounts. Lightning fast execution, tight spreads. You can open multiple positions. Trade as high as 500 lots. I don't recommend that if you don't have the money. Low commission. Expert advisors allowed. Hedging allowed. Scalping allowed. News trading allowed. Go long or short on positions. To go long means to buy. To go short means to sell, right? You guys should know that. Trade with transparency. Join thousands of people who trade 24/7 of cryptocurrencies. So that is a little bit about it. It's an offshore brokerage account. Now, let's look at the account types, and then we're going to make an account, right? These are the account types. All accounts on one MT4 account. Standard, Pro, VAR, and Mini. All for one, one for all. All our pairs. This is how it looks, right? This is what you're able to trade. Typical spread is 0.8 for a market execution. For standard, Pro, 0.4 typical spread, VAR 1.2 typical spread, Mini 1.0 typical spread. So definitely know what you're doing. Because if you open up a trade on a Pro account, 0.4, that means you automatically gonna be down anywhere between $4 to $40 every time you open up a trade for Pro. For VAR, you automatically gonna be down between $12 to $120 when you open up trades because of the spreads. And with Mini, you're automatically going to be down $100 or $10, depending on the spreads every time you open up a trade. So I recommend to stay with standard. You're only going to be down around 80 cents when you open up trades, or sometimes $8 when you put higher lot sizes. It's not a lot. So I recommend sticking with the standard pairs. Don't do any more than that. So let's go ahead. Let's start. Let's make an account. Let's walk you guys through how to open the live account today with Kot4x. Let's go ahead and get into it. Join our empire and create your fortress. All right, let's do it. So this is how the dashboard looks, right? You're going to put your first name. You're going to put your last name. You're going to put your email, right? The simples, the simple things. First name, last name, email. Make a password. Make a password. You got to put a special character. Let's put that. Cool. Sign up. You put your email. you get a verification. All right, cool. So you go to your email, you check your email. I have my email currently on my phone, so I'm checking my email. If you got it, you go to wherever you have your email. If you log into your laptop, go to your laptop. If you got it on your phone, you go to your phone, right? So I got mine on my phone, and it says, thank you for signing up to Kot4x. You're almost done. To access the dashboard, complete sign up. So you click complete sign up, just so you guys can see, right? The complete sign up, right? That's what you click. I click complete sign up, go here, wherever it's telling me to do. Cool, right? And it's going to ask you all the basics, right? You guys can see it. It's going to ask you all the basics. It's going to ask you your phone number, your currency, date of birth, your address, and all of that other stuff, right? It's going to ask you that. So I'm going to fill the rest of this out on my phone, all right? That's what it's going to ask, just so you guys can see. Cool. Let's fill this out right now. We're fill that on my phone. Default currency, USD, because I'm in the US. This works for overseas. It's a good broker for the US and overseas. Put my birth date, birthday, birth month, birth year, mail, put my address. Put the city, put the zip code, and create account. Cool. That's super simple. So once you have all of that, then you can finally log in, right? Once you have that, you can log in. J. Right, then you log in with the email and the password that you use. I believe I used this one. So let's go here and click on that. Right. Whatever your password was, that's what you use. And this is the rest of the process, right? Two-factor authentication. Of course, you want to enable it always. You want to do this. Put a 1 in front of your phone number, update. All right, cool. So I already have an account with them. So basically what you would do here, you'll put your phone number, put a 1 in front of your phone number, click update or verify. It will update. You'll go here, right? Enable to FA via SMS. You'll click that. It'll send you a code, right? It'll text you a code and you'll enter that code in. And that's how that will work, right? So that's how that portion will work. It's not going to allow me to do it because I already have an account with them and I already use that phone number. Right now, the next thing that you want to make sure that you do, you go to the KYC verification, right? 3 things that you have to do for this. You have to do this, right? Whatever country you're in, you put it. Me, I'm in the United States. United States. I am in Florida. So this is why this is so important. If you're 18, then you just want to make sure you have these certain documents. If you're not 18, then you just want to make sure that your parents allow you to get access to these certain documents and they upload it, right? You can scan it and use your phone to do a lot of things, or you can just continue and upload it from your laptop. I'm gonna continue just so you guys can see how it looks. Okay, start. Right, you have the option to upload a passport, driver's license, or ID. You can use your phone. You can take a picture of it. Right, they'll send you a link to your email. And then the next thing that they'll ask you to do, they'll ask you to upload some other documents, whether it's going to be a bank statement, utility bill, phone bill, tax bill, any kind of bill that proves that you live at that residence and it has your name on it, or your legal guardian, right? Whichever name, if you're under 18, open up a name in your parents' name. So everything can match. You can use their ID, you can use their whatever bill they have for the house, whatever bill they have for their bank statement, and they can upload it. It's completely protected. Your information won't be sold because this broker has to regulate that, right? And they have encryptions that protect you and make sure you're secure. This is how you'll be able to open up an account, right? That's how that works. All right, let's go back. You'll go through that whole process. Just want to show you guys how that actually looks, right? I already have an account with them, so I don't have to do all of this. Basically, just want to show you guys how to do it. All right, let's go back. Let's go all the way back. Right, you want to make sure you do the KYC verification. Now, the next thing that's going to be super important when opening up a live account is the funding. Funding. Let's go back to the dashboard. It's the funding, right? Go back to Kot4. Cool, we're going back to the dashboard. Cool. All right, my phone number can't do it, but let's go here. The next thing you want to make sure you do. So before you can even open up an account, you have to deposit some funds, right? You have to deposit funds for you to open up an account. So this is how it's going to look. You're going to select the wallet. It's going to be $0 because you have nothing in there. You can use Bitcoin, Bitcoin Instacoin, or Zelle Instacoin. One of the best ones to use. I haven't used Instacoin in a couple months, so I don't know how safe it is anymore. But Bitcoin is super easy, super safe. You can literally do that. If you have Cash App, transfer money from your Cash App wallet, buy Bitcoin on Cash App, literally, and scan wherever. So let's go here. My Bitcoin. Let's say I want to buy $50 worth. Go on, proceed. Okay, let me log into my actual real account. They're being very extra right now. Let's log into my other account. But that's how you open your account. So I just want to show you guys this last part. So I'm gonna actually log into one of my real accounts and show you guys how that looks when it comes to depositing to open up a real Forex broker account. Because you have to deposit money to open up a real Forex broker account. It has to be money inside of that wallet before you can even open an account and start trading. You have to upload your documents or they will not allow you to take trades because they have to prove that you're a resident there. Right, so that's how it is. You're gonna have your login, gonna have your password. I have this is how the via SMS is gonna look, so nobody can steal your information. They're gonna send you a text message to your phone and you'll log in. This is why it's so important. So I do recommend you do it. Cool. You type that in, you enter. This is really why it's so important. So this is how it's gonna work. You have to deposit and have some money in there. I currently don't have no money in there. I have money in all my Forex broker accounts. So you go here, you go select the wallet, 0 USD, Bitcoin, $50. See, I recently made some deposits. Well, this is a couple months ago, but go here. And this is how it's gonna look, right? So you'll transfer your Bitcoin, your Cash App money from your Cash App wallet, transfer it and buy Bitcoin, right? Buy Bitcoin, and then you will withdraw your Bitcoin and send it here. And you'll literally just hit the little box in the top left corner and scan this QR code, and your money will be in your Forex broker account in the next hour, right? So that's pretty much how everything works. That is how you open up a live account. This is how you do all the ins and outs of it. And then once you do all of that, you can finally go and open up an account, right? So Once you deposit, this is where you go. You go to my accounts, you create an account, select account type, Kot4x, Kot4x MT4 ECN, USD. For the leverage, you select 200, and then you create an account. All right. They're going to email you all the credentials. Once they email you, you want to only use the account number, type that in, and the trader password. You typed it into your MT4. You make sure you select the broker that you're using, right? So for this one, it'll be Kot4x, right? You'll type it in on your phone, right? Type in Kot4, log into existing account, and that's how that works. So I'm gonna actually show you guys that. I'm gonna tap the plus sign, log into existing account, KLT Live 2, copy and paste the account number. Copy and paste the trader password. Make sure you say the password so you don't have to sign in every time. And then voila. Once you deposit your money and you transfer it, then you have money in your account. I'll make another video on that and show you guys how to do that. But that is pretty much it for today's video, family. So I showed you guys how to open a live broker account, right? How to do everything, all the ins and outs. And that's really pretty much all you need to know. So I want to thank you guys. Turn on the post notifications, subscribe, hit that like button for more value, more content is getting ready to drop. I'm dropping consistently. My goal is to do about 5 videos per week. I'm going to aim more so for 4, but I can most definitely do about 5 videos per week. I usually do about 3 per week anyway. So 4 to 5 videos per week. Super easy, super dope. And that's going to be what? Over the next 24 videos a month, about 24 to, wait, no, about 16 and 20 videos a month. And that's going to be 180 to 100 videos over the next 5 to 6 months, right? So I got a lot of content coming your way, man. Stay tuned, hit that like, post notifications, turn on that bell so you can get all my access to my content and know when I drop new vids, right? So I want to thank you guys for watching this video. We out.
Blue screens give me goosebumps. I'm not knowing what to do. Had to go and boss my